Proteins are an essential part of the body and comprise about 15.1% of the body mass. This can be a whopping 10 kilograms of proteins in an average man. But why are proteins so important? Well, protein's importance can be remembered by a mnemonic. Dr. Bro. D for digest. About half the dietary protein that you consume each day goes into making enzymes, which aid in digesting food and making new cells and body chemicals. R for regulate. Protein plays an important role in hormone regulation, especially during the transformation and development of cells during puberty. B for build. Protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, and skin. In fact, your hair and nails are comprised mostly of protein. R for repair. Your body uses protein to build and repair tissue. And O for oxygenated. Red blood cells contain various protein compounds that carry oxygen throughout the body. This helps supply your entire body with the nutrients it needs. We now know that proteins are important for our body. But the question arises, how are they made? This is all done by our tiny cells. Within the cell, out of thousands of chemical reactions, protein synthesis is also going on. It all starts with genes. Gene is the basic physical and functional unit of the hereditary material. This material is transferred from the parent cells to the daughter cells. If we look at the cell, we will see that genes are present in the nuclei of all the cells. Now these genes contain DNA. So, if we make a list, the following things are required when the cell performs protein synthesis. DNA, ribosomes, RNA. DNA will be inside the nucleus. Ribosomes will be outside in the cytoplasm. RNA will be formed by DNA and will also be present in cytoplasm. Protein synthesis occurs in two steps. Transcription. Translation. Transcription will be when the DNA double strand converts into single-stranded RNA. Translation will be the process of using those RNAs for protein synthesis. We will create a separate video for both of these processes. So, stay tuned. There are approximately 20,000 to 25,000 different genes that code for proteins in each cell. These numbers make us realize that DNA contains a whole library of codes that help us detangle various types of protein synthesis in our bodies. To understand the whole process of protein synthesis, it is important to understand DNA, the nucleotides that it has, and the genetic codes and sequences through which it undergoes the process of transcription and translation. In this video, we will cover these basics and move toward the specifics next. So let us discuss DNA first.
Have you ever heard of video books? sqadia.com is delighted to present video books, medical books that have been tailored into a series of videos. sqadia.com videos are presented in the same order as the book's chapters. Explore now and make your learning easy.